Hey guys, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to merge clips together in Capcut. So now I have these two videos which I would like to make one video, and I would like to make one single video of these two clips. So what you can do is you just need to highlight all of the clips which you would like to merge together, and you just need to use Alt and G combination to make a compound clip of the videos. So now we have one single video, and if you have another clip, or for example here I have a picture and you would like to merge them together, then you just do the same thing. So you highlight all of the clips and you just click Alt and G combination, and you can also right click on the video or on the compound clip and you just click on undo compound clip sub project. So it's gonna undo only the latest compound clip I did. And now if you still want to undo this compound clip, you just need to do the same thing, like undo compound clip, and now you have the original clip. Alright, so all in all, this is how to merge clips together in Capcut. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to all premium Capcut features, you can try out Capcut Pro for 7 days for free by clicking the link in the description below. Also, check out our Capcut video editing for beginners ebook that you can also download for free. And last but not least, have a look at our other video editing tutorials, resources and deals in the video description as well.